All right, guys, next struggle here on the CL350 Honda twin engine. Got all my valve caps to come off, 3 of them at least. This one is totally stuck. This takes a 17 millimeter. As you can see, it's just stripping off the head. It's wrecking that. So I'm gonna need to get a new one of these. So socket ain't gonna work, but what does kind of work is if you open up a vice grip as wide as you can get it, clamp that on. This is soft aluminum around the edge. And there you go. Didn't mar it up too bad, but again, it's stripped out. We're gonna need to buy another one. Let's get this. Oops, engine's falling all over the place. Here, let me get this back up on my bucket. These bad boys are not light. But we got it. There we go. We got all 4 of our valve caps, or valve cover caps, loose on this bike. The engine is still draining, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to the frame and keep tearing away on that. So that's how I get them off. If they strip out, they're kind of worthless anyway once they strip, so just grab the edges of it, give up on the nut, or on the nut side of it. Just grab it on the outside, and that cover will pop right off. Just a little tip for you there. The vice grips go pretty much as far out as they possibly go, but they will reach around there and give you just enough tension to get those out. So, little tip to get a stuck valve cover off on a Honda Twin. All right, let's keep wrenching. All right, next step. I think we just gotta get the Kickstarter out of the way. 12 millimeter wrench. There's 1 bolt on here, and it actually turns. It's a little rough. You don't really, I don't think you do have to take this all the way out because there is a ribbed, I'll show you once I pull this off. But 12 millimeter wrench, a single bolt holds that on. Reason why we gotta get the Kickstarter off is because I need to get the side cover off, so that's gonna be one of our next goals as well. But we're gonna pull this off. And you see, there you go. There's the bolt that comes off. And this should come right off. Might need a little screwdriver here to push that out just a little bit. It's been a little while since it's moved. All right, I'm just gonna take my flathead screwdriver, pry it in the middle there, and that will pop right off. And you can see this is where that bolt actually slides into this groove and that holds that on. So easy. We got the Kickstarter off of the bike. Next thing, we attack these side covers, but I really don't want to attack the side cover until I get this bike or this engine back up on the table, because right now it's sitting on a bucket. As you can see, it's still draining some oil out of it. So let's be patient here, but we're making progress on the Honda Twin today. If you're enjoying the videos, we're going step by step on tearing this thing down. Follow, give a subscription on the YouTube channel, it means a lot. Follow on Instagram and Twitter at BVMatson. We're getting down there. Let's keep on going. See you in the next video.